Introducing the Dwarvin Fiber Optic Coupling Kit.
I want to really share with you about how to join fibers together. You often need to do that. One would be in a situation where you cut a fiber too short. But maybe you have a modular system and you're going to put it up, take it down. You're going to need to be able to attach and detach the fibers. Maybe instead you've got a situation where you put fibers into a car to light up the headlights, and they're very small fibers, but now you're going to want to couple that into one larger fiber to run back to the LampLighter box. So we are going to have to couple a fiber together. That's the finished job, where we've actually got the fiber coupled, and the tools that we've used for doing that, nothing other than a syringe with index matching fluid in it and a crimp tool to crimp the aluminum tubing. So let's go and see how we actually do this. So today we're going to work on joining two fibers together. We're going to take each fiber and make sure it's very cleanly cut at the ends, and then we're going to take a piece of aluminum tubing and we're going to insert each fiber into it. But first we'll start with one side, insert that into the tubing until it comes out the other end. We're then going to take this syringe, which is filled with an index matching fluid, and we're going to put a drop of that, actually a very small amount, on the end of the fiber. You can see the very small amount there. We're then going to draw the tube, coupling tube, back over, and then we're going to take the other side and we're going to put again a small amount of index matching fluid on that. We can just insert that into the nozzle here. Good. And then we're going to take that and insert it into. Good. And now they are matched together, but we want to make sure that they're permanently there. So I'm going to take a set of wire strippers and I'm going to set it actually on 16 here, and I'm going to crimp that down so as to hold that fiber there. Good. And then making sure we've got the other fiber pushed hard in to the tube, I'm going to crimp the other side. Exactly. So now we've got fibers that can't be moved, and we've got a permanent connection between those fibers.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, do contact me at michael@dwarvin.com.